to my channel. My name is Rashonda King. Thank you so much for joining me today. Today I am going to be participating in a collaboration hosted by Event Decor and Designs by Aisha. I will make sure I link her channel below so you can see what she creates for this collaboration. We are doing a collaboration on Go Red for Heart, and this is just to bring awareness to heart disease. So as my contribution, I'm gonna make a balloon garland. It will be red, hot pink, and I'm gonna use hearts throughout my balloon garland. I'm gonna go ahead and get started, and I will make sure I list all the materials below if you want to create this balloon garland as well. Well, I would try to link the materials below because some of the materials come from like balloons online. I think I got all the balloons for balloons online. Okay, here we go. I'm not very happy that I only have one size. Like I don't have another size that I can kind of make my duplets out of. These are 11 inch. So, but I do have 2 3-feet balloons that I will add once I put my garland together, and that will give me some variety in the sizes. Now I'm getting ready to make clusters of 8. I am gonna color block, so that means I'm gonna keep the hot pink with the hot pink and the red with the red. So I'm just gonna grab a duplet. Put them together like that. Okay, that gave me a quad, so then I'm gonna grab another duplet, add that on in. And that gives me 6. So then I'm gonna get another duplet and add that into this. Okay, and that gives me a cluster of 8. I'm gonna do the same thing with the red. Okay, so I have a cluster of red with 8 and a cluster of pink with 8. And now I'm gonna take the necks of the balloon and connect them. reaching for a neck, a stretchy neck. Looking for a stretchy neck. Okay, that one feels stretchy. Reaching in my red for a stretchy neck. Taking them together. Now, this part may be a little hard. And I find that it's even harder once you put your balloons on a structure and you try to tie the necks of them, or you try to add on clusters, is even harder. But I got it. So let's see if you can see. So I tied them together. I'm gonna go ahead and add probably a couple of more 260 balloons. And then I'll start putting on the 5-inch. Well, I'll put on the 3 feet and then I'll put on the 5-inch. My 3 feet is on, I cut a 260 in half and put my 3-foot red on, and that's how I'm gonna attach it to the garland. So I went ahead and connected my 5-inch clusters together with a half a 260, and then I'm gonna just begin to add these on to the garland. So you want to take the end of the heart, get a 260, roll it like this. Once you roll it to the end, tie it in a knot like that, double tie it. Then I'm going to take these 2 ends, the end, and tie it in a knot, double tie it, and then you will have this opening that you can just put around a balloon, and that's how I'm attaching the hearts. So here is the finished look. I think it came out so beautiful. I kind of wish I had a little bit more contrast with the red, but I think it's okay. So make sure you go and check out what Aisha created for this collaboration for heart awareness. And I hope this helped to bring some awareness to you and also some inspiration. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. I thank you so much for joining me today. Until I see you next time.